Hello everybody, day 21. This is 3 weeks of composing a tune a day, and this tune is called Spot the Fada. And the funny thing is I'm kind of pursuing this thing where sometimes I want to write a tune that sounds very traditional, like it could have been written by, some old Irish composer 100 years ago or 60 years ago or something. And then sometimes I think that's a dead end because it requires reusing certain phrases that are kind of stereotypical. And I think there's still like a lot of possibilities within that framework, but sometimes I'm like, maybe this is a dead end. So let me know what you think anyway.